Halki Diabetes Remedy Review. Halki Diabetes Remedy is an online program designed to deal with the source of type 2 diabetes, which reverses the disease and repair the damage it's caused this far. It's an all-natural 21-day system that takes you through the steps needed to rid your body of the contaminants that have been linked to being the root cause of type 2 diabetes. There are no magic pills to take or ludicrous exercise routines to follow. Rather, the program is everything about getting natural active ingredients into your diet plan that have actually been proven to reverse the results of toxic substances that add to diabetes. Halki Diabetes Remedy teaches you these components, and it even offers you tasty recipes and a 21-day meal plan so you can quickly implement them into your day. What is Halki Diabetes Remedy? The stats surrounding type 2 diabetes is shocking. Around 29.1 million Americans struggle with diabetes, and another 8.1 million Americans have yet to be identified and even conscious that they have it. Studies have likewise shown that the typical American spends billions of dollars on insulin, care and diabetes medications each year. Put all of this together and clearly, the modern-day method to dealing with type 2 diabetes isn't working. Halki Diabetes Remedy is created to deal with the origin of the issue, naturally and securely. What is that origin, you ask? Contaminants. Toxins are in everything nowadays. They remain in your food, clothes, the air, your house, cleaning products, you name it. And it's not a surprise that as more contaminants and chemicals get added into the method we live, the more people that develop diabetes. So, by dealing with the contaminants, you can begin to reverse diabetes and repair the damage that it has actually caused this far naturally. The program is extremely focused on getting specific ingredients into your body that naturally take on the toxins, which in turn tackle your diabetes. It offers you with an abundance of details on type 2 diabetes, its causes, and the components that diminish them. You then receive meal strategies, dishes, charts, and handy tips to put your newfound knowledge into action. Who is the author of Halki Diabetes Remedy? Amanda Fearson is the developer of Halki Diabetes Remedy. She is an expert scientist who has spent over 2 decades committing her profession to finding healthier, natural treatments to modern medication. This is when she entered contact with Eric Whitfield, who was likewise conducting his own research study on natural alternatives after nearly losing his spouse to the damage triggered by her diabetes. Together, they encountered all the scientific evidence that supports the remedy you get in this system. Our verdict: Halki Diabetes Remedy is a 100% natural, safe and satisfying option to combating the origin of type 2 diabetes, which in turn can reverse and even fix the damage that it's caused. The recipes provided are exceptionally delicious and simple to make, and all you actually need to do is follow through the 21-day meal plan. The rest pretty much gets provided for you as the components you enter your body start to tackle the toxic substances that have been linked to triggering diabetes. And you don't even have to wait. Since the entire program is online, you can get started right away, and considering that diabetes is a relatively unsafe health problem to have, you definitely don't want to wait. Add in the fact that the program is simple to do and enjoyable, there's no reason not to. Let's also not forget that you get 2 months to attempt Halki Diabetes Remedy out with the 60-day cash-back warranty, and you can't go wrong by trying the natural and safe way to taking on the origin of type 2 diabetes. Plus, you get an abundance of benefit programs for absolutely complimentary and a variety of knowledge that will assist you maintain optimal health and gain back control of your life once and for all. So, if you're tired of taking insulin shots and seeing what and when you consume every second of every day, try this program. You have a 60-day refund assurance and the opportunity to reverse type 2 diabetes and fix the damage it has actually placed on your body. In my personal rating, I will rate this product as a 9/10. If you're interested in trying the Halki Diabetes Remedy, just click the first link in the description.